Culdee and the Mountain Engines, Season 1, Episode 1. Culdee and Godred. Since all the engines, I mean every single one, well not every single one, but most of the Big Soda Railway engines, it's moved here. Like Thomas, Percy, Toby, Edward, and James. The others are still on the ships to be delivered to Georgia in the Big Soda Railways. There was a couple of diesels here, but the engines handled them. All the diesels were moved to the British Railways, and steam was a new engine line for Georgia. One day, Culdee, one of the mountain engines, was going down the tracks. He was covered in green overall grass. His whistle was covered in grass. He was discovered and rescued from scrap a few days ago by Thomas and Percy. He is grateful. Now the two engines are friends with the Culdee engine, but he works hard and with his coach named Catherine now. But the job was getting too heavier, and bitter weather was soon striking New Georgia. So there had to be a new engine ordered. As Godred was going down the line, he gasped at the sight. He saw. He bumped his coach Catherine hard off the rails. Luckily, they weren't on the cliffside. They were at a small goods yard. Now, the Culdee engines hit trucks, but the same way as coaches, they take them downwards. Culdee was, they were just delivering some supplies like coal or new building site materials, And he gasped and he saw Godred. Godred, he shouted. I thought you were dead. They revived me and rebuilt me and overhauled me. And, here I am. Culdee was disappointed and cross at the Fat Controller. The Fat Controller never found out about the railway so Stephen Hat used to run the railway. Culdee, this is Godred. Rescued from the scrap and rebuilt it. Nice to meet you again, old timer. He laughed. Now behave. Or what? He asked, in the politest manner he could. Or you will be sent in the shed for a few weeks. But if you behave after your second chance, and this is only a trial. If you fail your second chance, go back into the bin. Yes, sir, said Godred. Culdee was not impressed. Percy was there with the supplies. Oh, thank God, Percy. You really have to help me get rid of Godred. He's a menace. Very bad menace, he whispered. And today is going splendid and well. I don't want it to end up bad, he said with a cheerful smile. But why? He seems useful. That's what he wants you to think, he said. That actually scared Percy. Godred was trying to do a polite whistle. Culdee thought he was trying to be mean, rude. splash of oil trickled down Percy on his face. Ooh. See, that's how slow he is, sir. I was just trying to whistle up a lot before he could finish his sentence. He said, go get back to work. No more trouble, said Culdee as he runs off to the carriage yards. And with Catherine, with a still in the horrified shock, with her eyes closed in dimmest. As she opened her dimmest eyes, and then she looked. Godred puffed sadly away. His new shape was still as his old shape, but a better form. The workmen did a horrible job on him. He rattled and clanged on the rails. Well, today's a lovely day otherwise, he said. Clank, clank, rattle, clank. God, get back! He said. Godred didn't listen. He couldn't hear him because he was far away. Clankety clank. As they went along the line, his back end, he had no name. He was, but most people call him Happy. Mr. Culdee. He said, oh, Mr. Culdee, he said with a cheerful smile. Yes, Happy, he said. I think Godred has approved to this railway. Indeed, certainly not, he said. Godred was heading backwards, going. His other side was called Evil, but now the end was still called him that. He's cheerful, surprisingly. Mr. Godred. Yes, Evil. So don't call me that. Just call me End. Or End. And then, before he could finish the sentence, he went closely in hearing in what Culdee was saying about him. He told everything to Godred. And as a few seconds later, he was sad. The end.